many ladder rungs later. Well, that sure is stupid.
What the hell are they doing, Janet?
You know, for a mad scientist, you sure ain't very streetwise. They're daring each other to touch the car, kiddo. Placing bets. The outer chassis is rigged with an electromagnetic shielding system that'll withstand any bombardment. That's why I never have a problem just parking it wherever. So yeah, lay a hand on my ride when I'm not around to give you permission, and you've got as good a thing as any to wager on, I guess. If you happen to be brain damaged already. They must be really bored. They're dumb, but there's too many. I'm gonna need some backup, Cat. Kid dead, that means you're on. Got it, dummy?
Yes, of course! Zombie blood. It's like a shot of mutant steroids to a fun little beast like yours, isn't it?
Dudes, since nobody bothered to ask, I guess I ought to warn you. When I got a deal to get my head back in Spider City, I had to get a transfusion. The only blood available was from a shape-changing alien holed up in one of the shitty motels there. Kinda like that thing in the Carpenter movie, only a lot nastier. So brace yourself, this might get a little crazy.
Gentlemen, you are cordially invited to get the fuck away from my car.
Fucking shit.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And that, as they say, was pretty much that. A simple song. Gods and monsters. And as I watched it all play out, as I pulled the trigger and the gun spoke for me, I knew this was truth. I knew this was mine. And I knew that I wanted it. Because it felt good.
No!